In this video, I'll show you how to control your music using your Sony WF-C510 or WF-C700N. So let's get started. Let's say I have put them in my ears. I'll remove them from the case. And I'll put my phone over here. They already have been paired. Open your music streaming app like I just did. And just for reference, this is the right earbud. This is the left one. If you want to switch from transparency mode, which means that you're going to hear what's happening outside of your earbuds because it will use the mic on them, you need to press once on the left earbud like this. And you're going to notice a difference. If you want to play pause, take your right earbud, on your right earbud, press once and the music will start playing. If you want to pause, press another time on the right earbud. If you want to skip to the next track, double press the right earbud. By doing this, it will skip to the next song, and you can do this many times until you find the one you want to listen. If you want to go back to the previous track, you need to press 3 times on the right earbud. You're going to go to the previous track. Here it didn't go, let me redo it. You really need to click quick. That's a thing that I've noticed on these. You cannot take a pause between each click, if not it will not work. You need to click quick like this and then it will be able to go to the previous one or the next song. If you want to increase the volume, what we need to do is to press 4 times or more on the right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And by doing this, you see, it has increased the volume. If you want to increase it a lot, then press 6 or 7 times. 3, 4, 5, 6. And it has increased a lot more this time, you see? If you want to lower the volume, do the same thing, but on the left side earbud. So if you just want to lower it a bit, press 4 times. But overall, this is it. This is how you control your music. If you're receiving a call on your phone and you want to answer, press once on the right side and you will answer that call. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.